Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 38 and let's start. Alright, we need to find 10 cats. We are 2 down for now. We need 8 more.
Nice!
Alright, now 7.
Great!
Here's the green one. That's right. Alright, we need 6 more to find. Maybe we have a chance to guess the brown one.
Perfect!
It is there, yes. Alright, now we need 5 more to finish. We have the pink one. Of course. Alright, the green one. The chance is that is here. No, so it's right there. Oh my god, my bad. Let's try there. Okay. Saved by the bell. Alright. Now we need 3 more. Let's think. The blue one is maybe there. Yeah, of course. Alright. Now we need 2 more to finish. We have the yellow one and the blue one is definitely there. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you for watching.